Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we're going to cover nav bars, which are simple wrappers for positioning branding information, for example like logos, navigational elements into basically a nice looking header. Essentially, if you go on any website, they have some sort of navigational bar. So let me quickly go on a couple of websites. So if I go to youtube.com, I'll go to our website as well, Sonar Systems. I'll go to Sonar Learning.
At Copper 90, football doesn't just stop at 90 minutes.
Let's close that ad. So yeah, we have a nav bar. So this is our nav bar right here. It has a logo, it has a login button. And for the YouTube nav bar, they have a little drop down, they have the logo, search box button, and a couple of other buttons as well. Pretty much any website that you'll go on has some form of nav bar. Bootstrap luckily allows you to implement it very easily. So let's get on to the coding. First of all, you're going to want a element called nav, and inside this will be all of the navigational content. So it needs a few classes. It needs navbar, navbar dash light. So this is just the style, like the coloring, and we'll show you navbar dash dark as well in a moment. BG dash faded, and then inside here it's gonna have a and a class of navbar dash brand. Href, this is usually like the logo or the name of your website, and when you click it, it'll usually just take you back to the home page. For this video, it's going to put a hash so it doesn't take you anywhere, and inside here we're going to call it home. Actually, I'm going to call it company logo. That's usually what it is, and inside here you can put an image if you want to. It's really simple. Now we're gonna have an unordered list, and these will be the list items, aka the other items in our nav bar. And this needs a class of nav, navbar dash nav, and inside here we put our list item. So the first list item needs a class of nav, need quotation marks, nav dash item. We're also gonna put a class of active, so this particular item looks like it's active, usually indicating that the user is on that page. And inside here we're gonna put a class equals nav dash link href, and again we're just gonna put a hash so it doesn't take us anywhere. And inside here we'll put home, put a tag of span class fr dash only, which is for screen readers. And inside here we're gonna put current, so this just says this is the particular item that we are currently on. Again, it's just for screen readers. And that is one list item done. I'm just gonna copy and paste it to save some time. First of all, need to remove the active because we only want one item active at any given time. Happy with the hash being there. We don't want it to link to anywhere for now. I'm going to change this to features, copy and paste that. And I'm going to change this to about, and this to contact us. So if we save that now, we're also outside of the unordered list, we're going to create a form, and this is going to contain a search box and a button. All of these items, you don't have to have them necessarily in this order. You don't have to have all these items. You can vary it. You can have more, you can have less. That's the beauty of what we're doing. It's customizable. So we're going to put a class in here, form dash inline navbar dash form pull dash right. Pull dash right just says anchor it to the right hand side, so even when it's small or big, it's always going to be on the right. That's very common to have some sort of form element, and in this case it's going to be a search box. Not going to do anything, but it's just going to simulate a search box. Going to put an input with class of form dash control. Going to put a type equals text. Put a placeholder, and for this I'm going to put search. I'm going to put a button class btn dash success. You can put any sort of button you want. I'm going to put dash outline. We've got a separate video in this series covering how to use buttons, so check that out for some more information. And in here we're going to put search. So if we save that, we should be ready to run this in our web browser. So there we go, we have our navigational menu. Obviously when we click these, they don't do anything because we haven't made them go to a specific page. Generally you most likely would. So we got our company logo here, or the text for company logo. Like I said, it's easy, you can add an image there. We got a text box, and if I click on it, it highlights it, and we've got a button. We've already got a navigational system in about less than 10 minutes. That looks good enough, especially if you add a logo there, to be on a top-end website. And that's the beauty of Bootstrap. Not only does it simplify responsive design, it provides a bunch of components that we're covering in this series to help and ease UI development. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on our education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk/question.php. There'll be a link in the description to that. Please rate, comment and subscribe, as it really does help us grow and provide more content. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.